Hi, good evening, everyone. My name is Ram Dhamija, and I'm back with the market report for today, the 16th of December. And I will take you through what the experience was today and how did the markets behave, and what is it looking like for the week which is still pending with us. So the market was absolutely fine, except for the fact that the option prices again spiked. There is hardly any movement in the market. The market is kind of flat for Nifty, but the option premium for the straddle just shot up. Immediately after opening, Nifty straddle went up by almost 40 points, and that is not a very good sign. Now, one reason that can be ascribed to this kind of behavior is that we have a Fed meeting coming up. So maybe it's because of the Fed that the straddle prices are behaving so irrationally. We had seen a similar thing happen on 5th of December Nifty expiry, where the straddle premiums just shot up. And we again saw what happened on the Friday Sensex expiry, where it was again a very rough day for all the option sellers. So last 4 5 days have been very tough for option selling, and we are seeing that stop losses are being hit on both sides. Why that happens is because whenever the premiums explode in a straddle, it is bound to happen that both side stop losses will go. And the same thing again happened today itself in Nifty. Not only in Nifty, even in Bank Nifty and Nifty next week, the two other instruments that I look at, the straddle premiums actually went up. Though by the end of the day, the straddle premiums in those had come down a bit, but still, it is indicative of not a very calm market, I would say. And in my opinion, this volatility is coming up because of the Fed event. Just to give you an idea, the VIX went up by 10 percentage points today, immediately after opening. And by the end of it, it cooled to about 7% up, but still, that's still a lot of movement for the VIX. What are the other things that happened? The other thing is that December, which was looking like a very good month for option selling, has suddenly turned on its head, and at least for me, it has gone flat. Last week was very good in terms of option selling, but this week has been very rough. So let's see. We still have about 8 to 10 days left, and we will come to know how this month ends. Typically, December is very good, and I'm hoping that it continues. The tradition continues for December being a good month for option selling. What are the other things that happened? Nifty OI has changed. So Nifty OI at the beginning today was at 1, which was that calls and puts were evenly matched. But as we speak, the Nifty OI has shifted to about 0.7. So there is a small bearishness cropping up there, but it's not very significant, to be honest. But still, it is a 0.76. What are the other things that happened today? In the market, while Nifty was flat, what we saw is that small and mid caps actually did well. They were up about 0.5%. So the risk on is still there. FIIs we saw had started buying again. We saw the number for Friday come in again at positive, and they are now at about 11,500 crores in green for December, and this is after they had sold 1.2 lakh crores in October and November. So December is turning out to be good for FII buying. What are the other things? Yes, one very important thing that is happening is that the US ETF, which is your Nasdaq and S&P, etc., are trading at 10 to 15% above their fair value. So if anyone is wanting to buy those instruments, those ETFs right now, might not be a good time because they are not trading at their fair value. There was a time when the yen carry trade issue happened. At that point in time, these ETFs had slumped and there was no one buying them because Nasdaq itself had fallen 17%. But that was the exact time to buy these ETFs, not right now. So anyone who's thinking of investing in them, please be careful. You would be actually end up paying 10 to 15% higher than their fair value. Another very interesting thing that happened today was that Bitcoin has again crossed 100,000. So it is now trading at 106,000 US dollars, which is quite a lot. And it keeps on getting propelled by news like, in US, there is a rumor that they are going to have a strategic reserve, and then Mr. Trump has approved that reserve, and so on and so forth. So Bitcoin prices actually dance to that kind of news. and it is also an indicator of what kind of liquidity there is in the system. So the more the liquidity, the higher the price of Bitcoin goes. Gold and silver have been stable, so that is fine. Today, in terms of stock movements, all the other sectors were tepid except real estate. Now, real estate was really firing today. So we saw Oberoi 6% up, Prestige 4% up, and Hoodco 5.5% up. So real estate was a sector that was doing well today. But all in all, a very normal dull day, except for the part that option sellers will not be happy at all because of the premium spike. Now let's see how the week unfolds. We still have 3 more days left for this expiry, and hopefully things should settle down soon. So I will see you soon with another video. If you like the content, please do subscribe to the channel and do share it with your friends, and let me know in the comments section what all do you want me to cover apart from the things that I regularly do cover in my videos. So thank you very much, and please take care.